Want to revisit your saved Facebook videos? Let's learn how to find them on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to see your saved Facebook videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the saved option. Tap on it. Finally, tap on the See All option and see your saved Facebook videos. And this is how you can see your saved Facebook videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.